Like, how much do you think head gasket repair will actually cost you? There is no doubt you will be thinking of $1,000 above. No, it is actually lesser. Remember, head gasket repair is quite different from head gasket replacement. When you are replacing your head gasket, there's so many things involved. You have to think about removing the head gasket. You have to think about buying another head gasket, which is not that too expensive, really. But the labor is very, very intensive. The labor is going to charge you higher. So to repair a head gasket, to replace a head gasket, you should be thinking about close to about 1,000 to $2,000. But when it comes to repair a head gasket, maybe around $100. Is that not very cheap? Very cheap, because in most cases you don't even need to pay a labor. Why? Because this is something you can do by yourself, for yourself. How will you do about that? I have done that video on step by step on how to go about head gasket repair. You can go and watch that video in my channel. Now, what you have to do is that you open it, then you pour it right in your tank. You pour it right in your radiator. This is your coolant tank. You pour it there. The step-by-step guide is in my video, so it doesn't cost you anything. So sometimes you can only buy head gasket repair for $60. I think the most expensive one will not more than $100. I doubt it. So with your time, so this is more cheaper than you now going for head gasket replacement. But you should know that there's some certain symptoms that you are going to see that will tell you for you must go for replacement. But there's some certain symptoms that you must see too that will tell you that okay, with head gasket repair you are still good to go. That is why I'm telling you now that you should follow me, subscribe to my channel, because I have another video that I will do that I will tell you symptoms that will tell you when to repair, which is quite different from when to replace your head gasket. There's a certain thing symptom that when you see, you don't have to go for bigger replacement. Rather, repair will be sufficient. Let me just give you a gist of what I'll tell you in that video. For example, if you just a drop of coolant in between your cylinder head and your head gasket and your engine block, from the cylinder head gasket, you just see a drop of water dripping down. With that, you can simply use head gasket repair that will stop that leaking. It is not massive. You are not losing compression there. There is no mixture of fuel, no, of coolant and oil. These are just minor leakage. Definitely, you don't have to replace your head gasket. If you go for head gasket replacement, you are going to spend a lot, and that will affect your engine because your engine will be dismantled. At least the head gasket, the cylinder head must be removed before you can change your head gasket. And in most cases too, you have to go for resurfacing. You have to go for resurfacing of the engine block and the cylinder head. So these are extra costs. With that little symptoms, what you can do is that you can go for repair. So to repair your head gasket, you don't have to spend more than $100. No doubt that should be a good news. So follow me and like this video so that you are going to see when I'm going to post that video that talk about symptoms that will help you to know that this time you only need repair and not replacement. See you in that video.